In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of repairing damaged or corrupted RAR file using the Recovery Tools RAR Repair Tool. To install the Recovery Tools RAR Repair Tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File option to load RAR file. Select the damaged or corrupted RAR file you want to repair. Click Next. The scanning process will start and load the data. Check on checkbox to select the files that you want to repair. Click Next. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Next, simply click the Repair button, and the repair process will begin. Once the repair is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully repaired corrupted RAR file. Click OK to open the destination path to access the newly repaired RAR files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.